welcome to my YouTube channel, Caramelo Official TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell, okay? Now I came with Itel A60. This is the phone. So I'm going to do unboxing of this phone now. So stick around to find out. When looking at the unboxing, you will see that this phone came with 6.6 inches display, 5000 mAh battery, 32 GB of internal storage, and 2 GB. Now let us unbox the phone.
This is the Itel A60 4G Itel latest smartphone from A series. In the box, the device came first. This is the device. The Itel A60 is made of plastic, and the phone also came with 3 colors, which is green, black, and blue. Let me know your favorite color in the comment section below. Back to your box. The Itel A60 is a 4G device that supports 2 nano SIM. When moving to the top, you see the headphone jack. When moving to the left hand side, we see the SIM card thread. Wow. When moving to the back, you will see the 2 camera bomb located at the back, and the flashlight, and the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is so sensitive. Wow. And a memory card slot that supports up to 128 GB of internal storage. Wow. This phone came with slim bezel. Both plastic and back of this phone are plastic material. Now let's move inside the box. Let me see the accessories that came with the phone. Now this is the plastic case. Whoa, this plastic case fits this phone perfectly. That's by the way. The phone came with a cord. It's not the USB Type-C cord. Now this is the charger. This is the 5 watts fast charger that you can use to charge this device from 0 to 100%. Now this is the earpiece. Now let me on the phone first. Let me keep the phone aside. When it comes to software, the Itel A60 came with Android 12 on the box. The phone came with complete accessories on the box. Now let's just keep this aside. Let's just move inside the phone. Wow. When moving to the bottom, you will see the network cable, the charging port, and the manual speaker. When moving to the right hand side, you will see the power button, the volume rocker key. It was powered by UNESCO Spectrum LC9832E chipset. Now let us move inside the phone. Wow, the phone is so fast. Let's move to the settings. The phone also powered by 720 x 1612 resolution AMOLED T820 MP1. That's Itel A60. This phone came with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and Android 12 at the box, and 5000 mAh battery. Wow, this phone impressed me so much. So if you are looking for a very affordable device for you to go for, this one may be your choice. Because of what? It's because of the 5000 mAh battery that came with the phone, and the 4G network. Opening apps with this device is so fast. When opening apps with this device, I don't see any lag. Now let us move to the sound quality when using this device for music. Now this is the sound that came out when using this device for music. Tell me the sound. So tell me what you notice on the sound on the comment section below. What? The volume is so loud, you can't really complain for each price range. So tell me the sound that came out on this device.
Now let us move to the video when using this device for consuming content.
So tell me the sound that came out. So tell me the sound that came out when using this device for consuming content. Well, I can't really complain because this device came with 6.6 inches display. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's a very mid-range display. So tell me the sound that came out on the comment section. Then if you want to change the wallpaper, you can type here and select anyone you like. If you like this one, you can select it. If you need this one, you can still select it. You can change to any wallpaper that you want to change the boot. You can go for more, apply. This is for the home screen wiper only, and the down one is unlock screen wiper only, and this one is the boot. Then you can select the boot. Successful. Then if you want to clean the phone, this is the cleaner below. You can clean the phone. 109 MB memory available now. Wow. Then you can disable some of your apps. Once you touch the app like this, you can click uninstall and press OK. The app will go away. Now let us move to the game when using this device for gaming. So tell me the sound that came out. So the gameplay was okay. I don't see any lag when playing game with this device. So tell me what you understand in the comment section below. Now if you want to on the flash, this is the flashlight. This is the flashlight, and this is the brightness. This is the calculator. Now let us move to the selfie pictures taken with this device. These are some of the selfie pictures taken with the front-facing camera of Itel A60. So tell me the color that came out on the comment section below and the color that the phone produced. When looking at it, I might say the color that came out is okay for its price range. I can't really complain for its price range.
Now, let us move to the right camera using this device for pictures.
These are some of the pictures taken with Itel A60 using the right camera. When looking at it, the color is not too overexposure. The pictures is good for its price point. Now let us move to the front facing camera. The front facing camera of Itel A60. So tell me the color that came out on the comment section below. When looking at the camera, you might say it's likely handling dynamic range properly. Well, with the price range, you can't really complain. So tell me the sound that came out and the color that came out when using this device for video. Okay. Okay. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell because more video like this is still coming on the way. Now this is the rear camera of Itel A60. So tell me what you understand on the color that came out on this device and the sound that came out on the comment section below. Well, the camera is okay for its price range. With the price range, you can't really complain. The camera does not support video stabilization. Not at all. So tell me what you understand on the comment section below. Now this is the video recording using the rear camera of the Itel A60. So tell me the sound that came out on the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Caramello Official TV. Why don't leave me now? You don't want to subscribe. Tell me the color that the camera gives on the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe.
To my conclusion, the main things you need to bear in mind if you're going for this phone is because of the 6.6 inches display, and the phone also came with a full screen and 5000 mAh battery, and the phone came with 2 gig of RAM and 32 gig of internal storage. And the main thing is the 4G network and Android 12 on the box, and the phone also came with 8 MP back camera and 5 MP front camera. So, and the phone came with a very fashionable design when looking at it, and the fingerprint sensor. And the phone also came with a face unlock and a free case that fits the phone perfectly. This is the free case that fits the phone perfectly. The phone also came with a case. So these are some things you need to bear in mind if you are going for this phone. And if you want to put it in a rubber case, this is a rubber case. And this rubber case fits this phone perfectly. This is my review of Itel A60. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I post a video like this. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Caramello Official TV. I wish you peace.